as high-end equipment designed specifically for battery safety testing. The double-layer battery explosion-proof test chamber utilizes a dual-layer independent chamber structure and multiple explosion-proof technologies. It provides a comprehensive, high-precision, and risk-free safety performance verification solution for new energy storage devices such as lithium-ion and solid-state batteries. The complete physical isolation between the upper and lower chambers allows for simultaneous testing under two different operating conditions, significantly improving testing efficiency.